Are you ready to see something you haven't seen before? I haven't seen this either, so I'm pretty darn confident this is the first time you're gonna see it. Do you burn through a lot of 9-volt batteries? I burn through a lot of 9-volt batteries. In particular, I have one microphone that runs off 9-volt batteries, and I don't know how it eats up so much power, but it does. So this is so cool. This is from Taken. Let me show you. First off, have you ever seen this? This is a splitter, USB-A to 4 USB-Cs. I'm thinking about 10,000 things I could use this for, and I've never seen it before. I'm like mesmerized by this. This is so cool. One more step. These are 1100 milliamp hour lithium-ion 9-volt batteries that are rechargeable. How wild is that? Let me show you this. The battery is so much lighter. I guess maybe because it's lithium ion, it's lighter. But so it's so simple, right? Here's your 9-volt battery. You just plug this super cool charger into it, charge it up, and you have a 9-volt battery. And then when my microphone eats this whole battery and I need another, first off, I have 3 more that I could use, but I just plug it in, recharge it, and I'm back up and running again. It's both great for the environment that we're not throwing out a bunch of old batteries, and it's great for the finances that you're not buying any more batteries. So I'm gonna say this is like the coolest thing I've seen in a good month, and I see a lot of stuff, and this is definitely one of the coolest. If you're interested in it, there's gonna be a link down below. While you're down there, put up a comment. What are you using your 9-volt for? I use them for, the main thing is my microphones. There are a couple RC cars that actually use them in the remotes, but I want to hear what you're using them for. Put it in the comments. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.